Nova Mini Jeep. You may have heard about this interesting and freaking product that is a mini Jeep for for children's for playing for any of the person who wants to keep a Jeep in a mini version. Now in this video we're gonna overview Nova Mini Jeep. That is it legit or scam? So you can see the basic website we are visiting right now. You can see there is a lot of details mentioned and advertising say that this is just for $99. Firstly, you I will show you the main thing that how the Nova Mini Jeep is dominating the market and how you should understand that is it worth for you or you can buy. This is the Jeep product here you can see, and let me just show you. This scam is really these criminals have fine-tuned here beat and switched technique into a science. First, malicious practices the bait. The first step is placing ads across social media platform touching unbelievable deals. We're patiently or practically giving away these Nova Mini Jeeps for this price, and they will say a lot of things just to attract the customers and grab the attention from the person who want to buy this. As you can see, the purpose is purely to attract attention of the victims and the bait victim. Second is the drawback of the website is the knockoff e-commerce storefront. Clicking these social media ads leads to fake storefront and scammers have built to enable their scams. Stock photos of Jeeps are shown along with inflated MRP of like about $5,000. Various text and symbol like badges, countdown aggressively push on false urgency. So this is really not a thing to visit on the website and you can buy it. So my conclusion is please don't buy this as they have no company history, no address, no indication for the seller, domain registered very recently, layout copied from other known scam sites, and vehicle specs are totally unrealistic. That is about 100 for a mini Jeep. The less skeptical shopkeepers now purchase this seemingly malicious bargaining by entering credit or PayPal account details. Of course, they will debit any amount they want, so this is definitely a scam. I will suggest you not to go through this website or to to be a victim of any type of scam like this. So stay away from these. Please don't buy anything from the unauthorized seller or consumer or anything you want. What to do if you're the victim of the Nova Mini Jeep scam? First is contact your credit bank provider, gather all documentation, report fraud everywhere possible, spread awareness. Monitor accounts closely and learn from this because please don't trust anyone like this from this menu. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.